Hello, welcome back to Detail R. This time I've got this cool little Volvo 480 behind me. This had a preservation detail. So the paint on this has no clear coat, so it oxidizes quite badly. So we've taken off the top layer, given it a ceramic coating, and just generally trying to keep it look good for years to come. So stick around and I'll show you some of what we've done. Okay, so the little Volvo is polished, it's all panel wiped. Just taking the tape off now, but people often ask why put all the masking tape on, and I'll show you. So where I've been polishing this little section, I've masked over it and you see it's just clipped it, just slightly, if it'll focus, boom, that red bit. So if that had hit this delicate rubber trim, would have damaged it. But a simple piece of masking tape has saved it to live another day. Well, that one used a lot of tape. Now time to ceramic coat it. And that's a wrap on the little 480. So it's been a pretty cool project. We've done 2-stage polish on the bonnet, the fiberglass bonnet, original paint. 2-stage on the roof, it's original paint, and everything else has been painted at various points in its life. So it's definitely an interesting one. Then we put 5-year ceramic coating on. It's booked for 3 year, but went for 5-year just because it's better. Coated the windscreen. We've done interior, quick interior, engine bay, cleaned and dressed, and it's all ready to go. So thanks again for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and see you on the next one.